In this video, we will explore how students can install Maple on the Mac upon receiving the order confirmation email. This email contains a link to download the installer and the purchase code to activate Maple. Go to the link, select Macintosh as the operating system, and navigate to where the file is stored on your laptop. Double-click the installer file, verify your password, and select the installer language. The Maple Setup wizard will show and click Next to proceed. Read and accept the license agreement. Choose the path to install Maple and keep single user license selected. Choose whether you would like to enable periodic checking for updates. This can be changed later. Additionally, the installer can check for updates available to your Maple installation at this step. Review the pre-installation summary, and Maple will now install on your computer. After installation finishes, you can open Maple using the Maple 2026 icon on your desktop. You can activate Maple now in this next step. If you choose to activate later, you can do so by opening Maple and it will ask you to activate at that time. Input your purchase code from the order confirmation email and click Next. Review your information and consent to its collection. Click Next again to finish the process. In this video, we looked at how to install Maple on the Mac using the purchase code.